Hello. Welcome to Bollytunes. Come for a brief tutorial on the theory and application of chord progressions for beginners. This is only an introduction and doesn't provide any comprehensive details about the subject, and is intended to be an eye-opener for beginners to understand the subject, chords progressions. Introduction to piano chords. Piano chords are the foundation of music. Understanding them helps you play songs effortlessly. In this lesson, you'll learn how chords are built and how to use them in different styles. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced player, mastering chords is essential to improving your piano skills.
In this slide, you will learn the types of piano keyboard chords, which are classified into major, minor, diminished, and augmented chords.
Understanding major chord progressions. Major chord progressions are the backbone of happy and uplifting music. You'll explore common patterns like the I4VI progression, used in countless songs. Mastering these progressions will help you play confidently and recognize familiar musical structures instantly.
After learning basic chord formation, one should learn extension, which are added notes to the chords with different names. Here you will learn the application of major chords, progressions in songwriting to different genres.
Minor chord progressions create depth and emotion in music. From simple patterns to complex arrangements, minor chords bring a unique feel to any composition. Learn how to use them effectively to add richness and expression to your playing. Here we will see the emotional depth of using minor chord progressions. In a song for melancholy, dramatic intensity and complexity of songs.
For example, borrowing the 4 chord from the parallel major scale into a minor progression creates a surprising brightness, while borrowing the flat 6 from Phrygian mode adds an exotic quality. These techniques are common in film scores, jazz, and progressive rock. Minor chord progressions across genres.
The fundamentals of chord inversions. Chord inversions allow you to create smoother transitions between chords. Instead of jumping between positions, inversions help you play fluidly and add richness to your sound. Mastering this technique will make your playing more professional and expressive.
Benefits of using chord inversions is a very important aspect of arranging a song's. Chord inversions are used extensively in various musical contexts. By practicing different inversions and incorporating them into your playing, you can enhance your musical expression and versatility across different styles and genres. Tips for mastering chord inversions. Major scale chord formations. Understanding how chords are built within the major scale unlocks endless possibilities. Learn how to construct chords using scale degrees, recognize common patterns, and apply them to real music. This foundation is key to playing and composing with confidence.
Minor scale chords give music a deep, emotional quality. By learning their structure and function, you can create hauntingly beautiful melodies or dramatic progressions. Discover how minor chords shape different musical styles, from classical to contemporary. Major chord progressions in different keys. Playing major chord progressions in various keys strengthens your musical versatility. By transposing progressions, you will train your ear, improve finger placement, and adapt to different musical styles effortlessly. Expand your repertoire by mastering key changes.
An example of constructing major chord progressions in different keys. How to understand transposing chord progressions? Minor chord progressions in different keys. Minor chord progressions sound different in each key, adding unique character to your playing. Learning them in different keys helps you explore a wider musical range. Whether in pop, jazz, or classical music, minor progressions add expressive depth to your sound. Advanced chord inversion techniques. Take your playing to the next level with advanced chord inversions. Learn how to use inversions creatively for smoother transitions, richer harmonies, and professional-level arrangements. These techniques are key to playing like a pro. Applying chord progressions to composition. Chord progressions are the building blocks of songwriting. Learn how to use them to create your own melodies and harmonies. Whether composing simple tunes or complex arrangements, understanding progressions will help you bring your musical ideas to life. Structuring chord progression in compositions.
Jazz chord progressions and extensions. Jazz chords add sophistication and color to your music. Explore unique progressions, extended chords, and voicings that define jazz harmony. Whether you're a beginner or advanced player, these techniques will add richness and depth to your piano playing. Blues chord progressions and variations. Blues music is built on timeless chord progressions. Learn the classic 12-bar blues structure and variations that give blues its signature sound. Mastering these patterns will help you play and improvise with confidence in blues and rock styles. Classical chord progressions and techniques. Classical composers used beautiful chord progressions to create timeless masterpieces. Learn how to apply these techniques to your own playing. Whether you're playing Bach or Beethoven, mastering classical progressions will refine your musical skills. Fingerstyle chord techniques for piano. Fingerstyle techniques enhance your chord playing by adding texture and rhythm. Learn how to break chords into patterns that create flowing, expressive sounds. Mastering these techniques will help you add depth and emotion to your performances. Mastering chord transitions and arpeggios. Smooth chord transitions and flowing arpeggios make your playing sound professional. Learn how to shift between chords seamlessly and use arpeggios to create dynamic movement in your music. Mastering these skills will bring elegance and expression to your piano playing.
Some techniques for a smooth chord transitions. Exploring arpeggio, patterns from the chords. Integration of chord techniques into musical performances.